This is the last video. Sorry, I said that last time, but this is part 2 of the last video. Okay, so this is the last box of the deceased estate I received. If you've been following along, I bought a deceased estate, $1,500 worth of HO scale trains, and this is the last box. This is the box that I've really been looking forward to. So please watch the other videos first. It sort of gives you an idea where I've been and what I've done with this thing and how I come about it. So yeah, I thought it wouldn't take so long, but I've been blown away by what I'm getting out of this box. So I made it a 2-part, this final part of this whole adventure I've been through. So far we've put all this stuff away. Okay, and there's still this to go. I haven't gone through this. I'm going to try and do this as I can see. There is some stuff that's very similar. It looks like some rolling stock that goes together and stuff like that. Thanks for all the subscriptions so far. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're first new to this channel, and please enjoy. Okay, let's go. All right, so next one, like what I was saying before is I've found these kind of ones that look like the same. So okay, it looks like there's a couple of these that are in here that are all the same. These are made in England. Very cool. I love it. Made in England. So there's 1, 2. Okay, she's broken. 3. This one looks like the same. Oh no, that's different. That's a different colour, but same, very similar. Looks like yeah. Okay, it needs fixing. Okay, that's all right, but I think she's made in England as well. Where else I saw some? Oh no, okay, these look like they go together. Okay, now we're getting into, like, they're longer. I don't know why. Oh, a little bit different colour, or if it's faded. I don't know. But definitely longer. Made in Britain. Maybe they're, you know, different eras. You know, this might be a 70s and this is a 70s version, this is an 80s version. Don't quote me, I'm just guessing, but it's a little bit longer. Looks like that's about it. So a lot of this stuff, now we're starting to get down to, you know, he's obviously throwing this on the bottom. I had all those locos in this box and they were all on the top, so it was a top heavy box. And it's crushed a couple of the, look at this, that's very cool detailed. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Very cool. I'm just going to put that aside. That's going to go in my other boxes. So some more, we got some Buckman. Looks like it's, you know, unopened. If it has been opened, it's been put back in the box very well. Very cool detail, love it. Oh, we've got some more locos. Okay, so she's broken, just been thrown in there, but you know, like I said, half the fun and enjoyment is going to be trying to get these guys going again and restoring them. So, but very heavy. It's obviously got all its running gear in there, so I'm going to put that at the bottom of the box there. Doesn't look familiar to those ones. Made in England. Bear with me, my eyes aren't the best. Why is my camera anyway? Looks like it's still running. Oh man, there's so much work here to do. Look, that one is pretty trashed, but I'll look forward to trying to do some work on these trashed ones. We've got another one of those guys. It looks like it's missing its windows and stuff like that. But again, it's a different size. I don't know why there's so many different lengths to these. Okay, she looks like it's got all the running gear, but missing half the bogie at the front. But again, I'm going to attempt to try and get all this stuff going. I'm going to put that one at the bottom. Yep, we've got another one of these guys. This is about that size, so that's kind of cool. Man, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and maybe 5 of them are in pretty good nick. Oh, I love these ones. I do love these ones. Look at this, it's got the whole thing together. Feels heavy, looks like it's got all its running gear inside. Whether it runs or not, I'll soon to find out, but it looks like if you spin those, it looks like it all spins pretty good. Yeah, it looks good. It looks like it's intact. It's got all its running gear. It's joined so that because they do join together. Very cool. Put that there. Another one similar to these guys. Looks like that one's similar to that one. So boom, boom. We're starting to get some sets going. Wow, where do I go from here? Never ever seen anything like that. It looks like it's got some sort of mechanism inside, like a plastic cover on the top. I've got no idea what that is. Someone wants to drop a comment that follows this stuff, the HO scale hobby, wants to tell me what the hell's going on in there. Do not know. So it's got some running gear in there for something. Maybe it lights up or something, I don't know. Another one of those ones. Which one's that one? Yeah, another one of those. Oh my goodness, it just keeps going. This. Whoa, look at the detail on that one. Amazing. Just needs a bit of a clean up. Look at the detail, but that's awesome. Yeah, England. Okay, something rolling around inside. It goes with those ones there. Where do I go from here? Little shunter. Feels like it might be a dummy. There's no motor in it. What else have we got? Oh my god, I got no. I think that's been painted. It might have been painted. An attempt to restore. I think that's been painted. I could be wrong, but it just looks like it's been amateurly painted. Oh yeah, some of this stuff might be a little bit too hard to fix, but I'm not going to give up just yet. Cool little coal train. I hope there's a couple more of these. Is there? Doesn't look like it. So there's another one of those who needs restoring. They need to be restored. Oh, okay, we've got the roofs. Looks like got the roofs. Yep, we've got the roofs. There's one roof, beautiful. We've got another roof. Oh, there's another one of those. I love these. These are going to be really worth restoring. How cool is that? Look at that. Such detail. Awesome. As you can see, there's some other stuff in here. There's just like an old truck chassis here. Very good quality, very heavy. It's proper steel. No bodginess in this. Can't see where it was made, but wow. Very, very cool, because if I could get all the pieces, look, even the thing dropped down. If I can get the whole thing, I don't think I can. Okay, I've got another one of these little engines. I think that's complete. I think that's got running gear in it. So yeah, it looks pretty good in there. It's pretty clean. I reckon that one's just going to be a runner. I reckon that one you just put her on the track and she'll go. But like I said, I'm going to restore them probably. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to oil them up. I'm going to do all what I've got to do. That's part of the fun, to find out how to do these things. I'm not an expert at this stuff. I'm not sure about that, but that could come in handy for something. Now let me put that one back for a sec. I'm just going to see if there's anything else cool in here, and I'm going to call this video, because it looks like most of it's now running stock. Oh, there's another little shunter. Feels like that's got a motor in it. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's got a motor in it. Another little shunter. I don't know if that's the correct way of calling them. But look at this, even in the thing, it hasn't even come out. Looks like that has never been unboxed. Very cool. So this is all the little bits and pieces that are going to help me. Yeah. Look, there's nothing else, I don't think, whoop-de-doo in here. Looks like that hasn't been come out of the package. Who knows how old that is, 10, 20, 30 years old maybe. Very cool. Okay. Oh, there's the other roof for that, which is kind of cool. I found the other roof. So they're going to be worth restoring. Or is that the roof? I think it is, yeah, I think that's the roof. Anyway. Nah, nothing really whoop-de-whoop-de in here. Oops, don't break anything that is already kind of broken. Alright, that's it. Yeah, I'll call that. So that's what's left. And there. That's what's left. But, you know, like they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. To me, that's treasure. I'll go through that very detailed to make sure that I can, you know, keep the dream alive, so to speak, and keep that stuff and get it up and running again. Which, like I've said before, is very, very much the enjoyment of doing this type of hobby. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Okay, to the subscribers that are already supporting us, we love you. We can't do this without you. Check out Evelyn's Kitchen. She's doing some great meals, very simple meals, but absolutely delicious. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. See you on the next one. Stop recording. Stop recording.